Which protocol is responsible for assigning IP addresses automatically? Option C, DHCP. Which of the following is a connectionless protocol? Option B, UDP. The protocol used to transfer files between computers is Option A, FTP. Which protocol is used to send emails? Option C, ASMTP. Which protocol ensures reliable delivery of data packets? Option C, TCP. HTTP stands for Option C, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which protocol is used for secure data transmission over the Internet? Option B, HTTPS. Which protocol helps manage devices on a network by collecting and organizing information? Option A, ASNMP. IP stands for Option C, Internet Protocol. Which version of IP supports 128-bit addressing? Option C, IPv6. Which of the following protocols is used to retrieve emails from a server? Option B, POP3. Which of these protocols works on port 443 by default? Option C, HTTPS. Which protocol is used to request web pages from a server? Option C, HTTP. Which protocol is used to resolve domain names into IP addresses? Option A, ASMTP. The combination of TCP and IP protocols is called Option B, TCP, IP suite. Which protocol helps in routing packets across networks? Option C, IP. Which protocol is known for fast but unreliable transmission? Option B, UDP. Which layer of the OSI model does the TCP protocol operate in? Option A, transport. Which protocol is used for remote login to another computer? Option C, Telnet. Which of the following is used for encrypted remote login? Option C, SSH. Which protocol is used to transfer voice data over the Internet? Option B, VoLUP. Which of the following is a protocol used for sending encrypted emails? Option C, S/MIME. Which protocol uses port number 80 by default? Option C, HTTP. Which protocol is responsible for error checking and data recovery? Option C, TCP. Which protocol helps synchronize time between computers? Option A, SNTP. The secure version of HTTP is called Option B, HTTPS. Which protocol is used for accessing and managing directory services over IP? Option D, LDAP. Which protocol provides simple file sharing services and is commonly used in LANs? Option B, NFS. What does ICMP stand for? Option C, Internet Control Message Protocol. Which protocol handles diagnostic functions like ping? Option D, ICMP. Which protocol is used to securely browse websites over the Internet? Option A, HTTPS. Which of the following protocols is used to transfer files securely? Option B, ASAFETP. Which protocol converts human-readable domain names to IP addresses? Option C, DNS. Which of these is not a layer in the TCP/IP model? Option A, presentation. Which protocol works closely with IP to ensure data delivery? Option C, TCP. The primary function of the ARP protocol is to. Option A. Which protocol is mainly used for remote desktop access? Option C, RDP. Which of these protocols operates at the network layer? Option A, IP. Which protocol does a computer use first when joining a new network? Option C, DHCP. The protocol that reports errors in the network is. Option D, ICMP. Which protocol allows you to access web pages using a browser? Option B, HTTP. Which protocol is used to access a mailbox and download emails to a local device? Option A, POP3. Which protocol allows monitoring and managing network devices like routers and switches? Option C, ASNMP. Which of the following protocols uses encryption for file transfers? Option B, ASAFETP. The purpose of the DNS protocol is to. Option B, resolve domain names to IP addresses. Which protocol is not involved in email transmission? Option D, FTP. Which protocol supports interactive terminal access over a network? Option A, Telnet. Which protocol can operate over both TCP and UDP? Option C, DNS. Which protocol is stateless and used for faster transmission of data? Option B, UDP. Which protocol is used for maintaining session persistence during web browsing? Option D, TCP.